Today, we will show you how to add Tuya local control within the built-in Home Assistant on the iSG. This process is quite lengthy, so please carefully follow each step. Connect your computer, iSG, Tuya devices, and Tuya Smart Life app on the same Wi-Fi network. Add Tuya devices to the Tuya app. We are using a Tuya dimmable Wi-Fi bulb. Ensure you can correctly control the Tuya bulb. Find the iSG IP address in the iSG settings. Then, enter HTTP iSG IP 8123 in your computer browser to log into Home Assistant. Click HACS on the left sidebar of HA. Search for Tuya in the search box. Click on Local Tuya, then on Download at the bottom right, and click to download. Wait for the download to finish. A downward arrow will appear next to the Local Tuya icon indicating it is downloaded. Next, click on Settings on the left sidebar. You will see the Local Tuya icon at the top. Click it and restart the HA service. After the restart, click on Device and Services, then click on Add Integration at the bottom right. Search for Tuya, and you should see the Local Tuya option. Click to add it. A setup wizard will appear. Select API Server Region, US for US users, everyone else choose EU. Check the box for Do Not Configure a Cloud API account and submit. After completion, enter the Local Tuya integration. Click Configure, select Add a new device, and submit. The system will automatically discover all Tuya devices on the same network. Through the Smart Life app, go to the device page, click Edit in the top right corner, click Device Information, View Virtual ID, select the correct one, and submit. Enter the name for the device in Home Assistant. And next, we need to find the local key. Open a new web page and enter platform.tuya.com. Register for a Tuya developer account. Be sure to select the same region as when you registered the app. In the left sidebar, select Cloud Development. Click Create Cloud Project, enter the project name. Choose Smart Home for Industry and Development Method. Choose Data Center based on the city you register check with at this address. After creation, click Authorize on the next page, then you will be redirected to the project page. Next, select Device, click Link Tuya App Account, click Add App Account on the right. A QR code will pop up. In the Smart Life app, click plus in the top right corner, then select Scan. After authorizing login, select Automatic Link. You will see that the developer platform has successfully linked your app account. A Manage Device pop-up will appear on the right. Your added bulb will be shown here. Copy the device ID. Close the Manage Device page. Then click on Cloud API Explorer on the left sidebar. It will redirect to a new page. Click Device Management on the left menu, then select Query Device Details. Paste the copied device ID in the middle column and submit the request. On the right half of the screen, you can view the Tuya local key. Copy it. Return to the Home Assistant page, paste the local key, select the protocol type. Usually newer devices select 3.4, if not try each one. Then click Submit. Select and submit the device type. Enter the name for the device in HA. Configure the device features. Finally, click Complete reselect the device type, and submit. At last, we have successfully added the bulb. In Local Tuya, you will see a new device. Click on the device to view its details page. Click on Device Control. A control page will pop up, and you can see that the Tuya device is now fully controllable. Then, go back to the iSG device page. Click the plus in the top right corner. Select Home Assistant. Find the Tuya bulb we just added. Select the floor and room. And now you can control the Tuya bulb through iSG. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please click subscribe below. Thank you.